Hello everyone, welcome to CodeSprint. This is day 2 of our 50-day Python programming series. Today we are going to build a very simple Python application, and I want to keep the time limited under 10 minutes, so I won't be explaining many of the concepts, but I will be including an PPT, okay, that will help you to learn more. We are not learning the programming PC concepts, but we are trying to learn through the program application. Okay, we'll be developing an application, and through that we are try to learn. And I don't want you to just clone the repo and use it. I want you to make it more, okay? Add on top of it. I'm developing here. We are seeing a simple quiz application. I have only kept three questions. You can add more questions or use your imagination and see how to modify the programs. Okay, for keeping the program interactive, I am using Streamlit. That is an open source Python framework. And this program is designed for beginners or high schoolers, school students, or anybody who is interested to learn more about Python. Okay, I'm using Streamlit, open source Python framework. Then that will be used to build a web application without using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Within less time, we can build a simple application using Streamlit. Then the data structure we will be using here, our list we are using, then the dictionary we will be using. So if you want to learn more about the dictionary list, just write a simple Python code and try to modify it according to what you think, then you will be able to learn more. We are using dictionary, key value pair, then we will be using loop to get an iteration of values, set of values, one after another, then condition checking, if else we will be using, then variables we will be using, then function we are using to keep the programming organized. Then how our application will be working, we will be defining a set of questions, okay? Then the questions will be displayed, then we will have an option to select the answer, and if the answer is right, we'll be like pre-programming this is the right answer, okay? So if it is right, it will be matched and score will be calculated, score will be implemented. Okay, so I have also included a few Python questions for Viva. Let's go through that. Then today I will be showing both console application and the web application, how our program works in console and how it works in web. Console is nothing but we are using the terminal. Okay, web means browser will be open. Okay, let's directly go on to our code. I believe you have installed Python, and for interaction, I am using my IDE is Visual Studio. If you want, you can use any other IDE, but I feel comfortable with Visual Studio. Okay, let me share the other screen. Okay, let's see the program. Okay, this is day 2, Python quiz project. So I will be giving you the PPT that I have shown and also a README with the Git repo. Okay, let's see our application. First, let's see how it works without any UI. You can see I have named it quiz_app.py, and okay, you can see my program. I have defined a function quiz_game. Welcome to Python. Print function is used. Then I have defined a variable quiz. It is a list. You can see inside that we have dictionary. Then I have initially set the score as 0. My question is, what is a Python? I have given the options in a list. What are the Python? And answer, I'm saying it as B. If you want, you can say A or B, both are correct. So let's see. Then another question, how we define function. Like this, you can include more questions, okay? If you are learning Python you can create a quiz for your class, like that, user imagination and add on to it. Okay, we are iterating to this quiz. You can see Q in quiz, print for the option. The options will be displayed, and options are given. We are like upper or lower. Any way the answers will be accepted. Then the score we have set as 0. If it is correct, 1 will be incremented. If it is wrong, it will display else. If else wrong will be displayed. Let's try to run it. Okay. How do we run a Python application? File name Python file name dot py. Okay, Python file name. My file name is qs. Okay, here you can see welcome to Python QS game. What I have printed here. Then what is Python? Python is a snake programming language. Okay, let's give the option A. Then how do you define a function in Python? Let's give A. What is symbol used for comments in Python? If you don't want to execute a set of code, you can just put the comment symbol and it won't be executed. So you can see my score is 2 out of 3 since I have my first question was wrong. Okay, you can see the question is answer is wrong. So if you want to like repeat the set of question again, do you want to continue? You can use the while loop. You can change according to what you feel. Okay, let's run the same thing using Streamlit. Okay, you can see in the code import Streamlit as st. I'm importing the module Streamlit and giving it as a name as st for the ease of convenience. st.title, it will be displayed in my browser. Then questions, same thing as the usual programming concept. Score also 0. Then st.write. These are the UI component, write, button, info, success, all those things are the UI components provided by Streamlit. st.balloon, if we are scoring the full score, if my score is essentially 0, when one answer is correct, which will be added 1, 2, 3. Okay, here my length of questions, length of this variable question, this list questions. So it will be 3, it will give 3, both are same. I'm saying to give some graphics balloon. Let's see how it works. Python -m Streamlit run our file name. Okay, I'm saying Python to find the module Streamlit. If -m is not used, it may cause some issues. So the file, the path are not correctly set. If the path you have set correctly, it won't be an issue. So just I am using Python -m Streamlit run. Okay, Streamlit run file name .py. You can say the okay, I'm not sure if you are able to see the screen. Let me share once again. Okay, I believe now the screen is visible. You can see my application. What is Python programming language? Which keyword is used to define function def? What symbol is used for comment? Hash. Okay, let's submit. Okay, since I scored 100%, okay. You can have some button to replay. Okay, all those things is up to you how you modify it. Okay, feel free to modify accordingly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please support the channel and see you by subscribing, and see you tomorrow with my third video.